Welcome to Rome, a timeless city where ancient history meets modern life. Our journey begins at Circus Maximus, ancient Rome's largest stadium, used for chariot races and public games. At its peak, it held approximately 250,000 spectators. Rising above Circus Maximus is Palatine Hill, one of the oldest parts of Rome. It was the home of Roman emperors and a symbol of imperial power. Just across from Palatine Hill lies the Colosseum. Completed in 80 AD, it was the grand stage of ancient Rome, hosting gladiator battles, animal hunts, and dramatic spectacles. It remains the largest amphitheater ever built and a lasting symbol of Roman engineering and entertainment. Our next stop takes us to the Roman Forum, the center of public life in ancient Rome. It housed significant temples, such as the Temple of Saturn and the Temple of Vesta. The Senate House, or Curia, was the heart of Roman politics, while the Arch of Titus commemorated Emperor Titus's victory in the Jewish War. The Forum was also the site of key legal and political gatherings. Above, we find the Capitoline Hill, the most important religious and political center in ancient Rome. It was the site of the Temple of Jupiter and later became a symbol of Roman civic authority. Just next to it stands the Victor Emmanuel II Monument, built to honor the first king of unified Italy. In front of the monument lies Piazza Venezia, one of Rome's busiest intersections. Heading west, we fly over Largo di Torre Argentina, the site where Julius Caesar was assassinated in 44 BC. Just a short distance from it, we reach Campo de' Fiori. At the center stands the statue of Giordano Bruno, the philosopher executed here in 1600 for his radical beliefs. A short walk from Piazza Venezia, we come upon the Augustus Forum, built by Emperor Augustus to commemorate his military victories. Heading north, we arrive at Piazza di Spagna, home to the famous Spanish Steps. This monumental staircase leads up to the Trinità dei Monti Church and offers a stunning view of the square below. Next stop is the iconic Fontana di Trevi, the largest Baroque fountain in Rome. Legend has it that tossing a coin into the fountain guarantees your return to the Eternal City. From the Trevi Fountain, we make our way to the Pantheon, one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. Originally built as a temple to all the gods, its awe-inspiring dome remains the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. The Piazza della Rotonda in front of the Pantheon is a lively square, often filled with artists, street performers, and visitors enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. In close distance from the Pantheon, we come to Piazza Navona, an ancient square that has evolved over centuries. Once the site of a Roman stadium, it's now famous for its Baroque fountains, including Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers, making it one of Rome's most picturesque spots to relax and soak in the atmosphere. Crossing the Tiber, we arrive at Castel Sant'Angelo, a towering symbol of Rome's evolving history. Built as a tomb for Emperor Hadrian, it was later transformed into a fortress, a papal hideout, and a prison, each chapter leaving its mark on these stone walls. Heading north, we reach Piazza del Popolo, once the main northern gateway into the city. This grand square is flanked by twin churches and centered around an ancient Egyptian obelisk brought to Rome by Emperor Augustus. From here, Via del Corso begins, one of Rome's busiest streets, known for its elegant shops, historic buildings, and vibrant atmosphere. It stretches all the way to Piazza Venezia, connecting some of the city's most iconic landmarks along the way. Crossing the river once more, we arrive at St. Peter's Basilica and St. Peter's Square, the spiritual heart of Vatican City. As one of the largest churches in the world, it stands on the site believed to be the burial place of St. Peter, making it a key pilgrimage destination for millions. Next, we make our way to Janiculum Hill, offering some of the best views of Rome. Though not one of the original 7 hills, it holds great historical importance, especially in the 19th century, and remains a peaceful retreat with beautiful gardens and quiet pathways. Just below Janiculum Hill lies Trastevere, famous for its narrow cobblestone streets and lively piazzas. Known for its authentic Roman charm, this neighborhood is home to some of the best traditional restaurants, vibrant nightlife, and beautiful historic churches. Heading southeast, we reach the impressive Baths of Caracalla, one of the largest and best preserved ancient thermal complexes in Rome. Built in the 3rd century, these grand baths could accommodate thousands of Romans, offering a glimpse into daily life in the empire. On the other side of Circus Maximus lies Aventine Hill, one of Rome's original 7 hills. It's known for its quiet charm, leafy gardens, and some of the best views across the city. Atop the Aventine stands the Basilica of Santa Sabina, one of the oldest churches in Rome. Built in the 5th century, it's admired for its simple elegance, original wooden doors, and peaceful interior that has remained remarkably unchanged for centuries. This is the final stop of our journey through Rome's iconic landmarks. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the tour.